This is Granny Mouse's Children's Stories on YouTube. This is the story of the baby bird by Hayleigh and Debbie Kolbe. One night, Granny and Hayleigh were walking in the garden when Hayleigh heard a little bird crying. It had fallen out of its nest. Hayleigh carefully picked up the baby bird, climbed up the tree and put it into its nest. The baby bird's mummy was so pleased. Hayleigh waved goodbye to the baby bird. She then closed the door on the nest so the little bird would not fall out again. From then on, that little bird became her friend. The end. For more children's stories, follow us on Granny Mouse's Children's Stories on YouTube. See you next time.